How our cleaning experts remove stains from carpets. We have a team of carpet cleaning experts in Melbourne who remove stains following the most advanced procedures. So, Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is always the most trusted company when it comes to carpet cleaning. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. In the service, our cleaners use a knife to scrape off the residue, apply carpet stain removing solution, blot the stain, steam clean the carpets, apply deodorizer. Our experts use carpet steam cleaning in Melbourne as this method not only removes the stains effectively but also removes dust, dirt and allergens. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.